guys ha.
Dito boss, baka wala ka pa DPS ha.
DPS, side by side ha. Know your, kunin nyo yung location nyo ha. Position. Using doubles lang, just kite on bridge. Don't go deep, just go on bridge. Bridge, we hold that bridge. We will hold that bridge, guys. Using doubles dito. Okay, kissing doubles lang, stabilize lang. Kissing doubles. Nice. Kissing doubles, just do kissing doubles eh. Wag mo na magsusustain. Now. Sustain. I need sustain. Look north now. 2, 1, on me. North now. Drop all. Drop, isa pang drop. Okay, don't move. Stabilize lang. No. Don't push. Position on backline lang. Position lang sa likod. Don't push. Stabilize. Find Judith and heal on here. Back. Guys, makakalap kayo dyan. Back muna. Nice. Pull in. We do second timing. Side up. Kissing W here. Clatcast. Nice. Yes. Disregard. We will win this. Manalo tayo rito. Kissing W, Sakiel. Defensive, be ready ha. We do sustain again. Don't go deep. Stabilize lang. Kissing W, Sakiel. Sakiel. Nice. Stabilize. Sustain ako ng front. Heal you node now. Nice. Very good. Nice. Very good. Stabilize. Okay, no. Back konti lang. Look north now. Ready. On north now. 3, 2, 1. On me. Drop all. Drop. Nice. Delete muna yung mga natira sa likod. This one. Delete lang. We hold the position. Naka-stun yan. Kite back a little bit. You find duty then heal. Sustain. Just sustain, guys. 3 seconds. 2 seconds ha. Look north now. 2 seconds and 1 second ready. 3, 2, 1. On me. Drop all. Nice. Very good. Again. Delete muna. I need to sustain again. Defensive. Up your defense.